So today I'm going to be doing the rear window on a convertible for the 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT Spyder, and I've got it all set up. I just have to apply this primer, and I think I took off the title or the thing that has a label on it, but it's basically just a single step primer by 3M. And then I also have the window weld, super fast urethane. Cut the tip to the desired bead length. I think that's probably good enough. And then you want to cut it at an angle so that it makes that kind of teardrop. There we go. So it makes that kind of shape. You know what I'm going for. Okay. Let's make sure we can get this through. Okay, I'm just gonna let that ooze out of there. It's coming slowly but surely. So usually you want to have a dabber to be able to get it on, like, precisely, but I did not get that. So I'm just gonna use a towel and just pour some on, and then I'm gonna get around. Let me make sure you can see that correctly. All right. As you can see, I put some lid under there to kind of keep it from falling. So the strategy I'm going to go for is doing the bottom first, and then the sides, and then the top. You can see where the primer is on the cloth part of the glass. That's where the window weld will be applied. So, it's the next day, and I just double checked the bottom part, and it's adhered perfectly. Worked. Now we're on to the second step. Just to give a close-up. So, no separation anywhere along the bottom part. And now we're just going to get the sides. Hopefully I lined it correctly. 99.9% sure I did. And then we'll get that. And the water test. Let's see. Yay! I gotta turn my hose off. Hold on. Okay. What I'm going to use is this first. Ah, no. And then this. Okay, let's. They said I couldn't do it, and I did it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please say so below. If you didn't, please also say so below. The haters are what keep me going. Just kidding, of course. Really though, I would really enjoy some feedback. So if you enjoyed this video, or if you didn't enjoy it, please, please, please let me know, and I will constructively criticize myself with that. I think that's all I got today. Until next time, bye.